Yeah, boys, into this video I'll be explaining to you how you can get yourself titles, how you can actually equip titles in Bubblegum Simulator Infinite. If you do want a game pass, which is going to be double or infinity gum, if you want infinity gum, comment down below Bubblegum Simulator Infinity and you can actually win yourself infinity gum into this video. So make sure you guys comment down below the secret words that I just told you, and I'll be gifting infinity gum to 3 winners in today's video. But first I'll be showing you how to equip titles in Bubblegum Simulator. It's very simple. What you want to do is you look at the chat and there is a bunch of people that have these titles equipped. There is the 2019 bubbler, there is the OG bubbler, and they pretty much have the 2020 bubbler as well. As you guys can see, are you a real bubbler or not, guys? Are you a real bubbler like me? Because I am a real bubbler and I'll be showing you how you can get yourself the actual bubblegum title, okay? The actual bubblegum title inside of the game. So once you pretty much join up the game, what you want to do is go to your settings, and when you scroll down into your codes all the way down, you can verify your Discord. When you verify your Discord, it pretty much authenticates your title and you'll be able to get yourself the insane OG bubbler title with your account, which is super cool to show off to your friends in the chat as well as all the other places in Bubblegum Simulator. So make sure you guys actually like the video right now, subscribe so you can actually get yourself the OG bubbler title right now completely for free, and verify your Discord right like that. Like the video guys, subscribe,